We've been telling you about Maricopa County's planned update to its COVID-19 schools dashboard, but now we're learning that update is on hold because they need more time to process all the numbers. And that could be because cases are on the rise.
And as those cases rise, teachers are struggling to cover classes as more of their co-workers are forced to stay home. We have team coverage tonight. Our Garrett Archer breaking down why that delay is happening.
But first, our Claudia Rupsich speaking with teachers who are seeing what's happening in our schools firsthand.
They tell me it's stressful and a lot of them have to work even more now. They tell me staffing at schools has become a logistical nightmare. Ralph Quintana is a teacher at Dysart High School and the president of the Arizona Federation of Teachers.
At the high school level, we can be missing 5 to 8 teachers a day or staff members.
That means teachers that can work have to step in.
Your prep period, your planning period, basically you're giving that up to go cover someone's class. So that work still needs to be done. So either you're coming in earlier, you're staying later, or you're doing that work for your lunch.
Quintana says the lack of staffing impacts students as well.
They have a different teacher in there all day long throughout everything, trying to figure out what's going on and get instruction done. It just makes it really hard.
Beth Lewis is a 3rd grade teacher in Tempe. She's also the director for the education advocacy group Save Our Schools.
We're pulling all of our aides and interventionists, our assistant principal, if you have one, your specials teachers, just trying to have enough bodies in the room to keep kids safe and learning.
Lewis says they're doing their best to stay open, but she's worried about disruption since cases continue to rise. Claudia Rupsich, ABC 15 Arizona.
We have reached out to the district, and Tempe Elementary has not gotten back to us so far. The Dysart Unified District says in part Dysart staff have been amazing as we have collaborated with them to help fill each need, and we have to ensure that all students are served every day.
As Omicron surges across the state, what do things look like for our school-aged kids? ABC 15's data analyst Garrett Archer takes a look at what's happening in our schools.
Arizonans under 20 make up about 20% of the total number of COVID-19 cases, a little under 4% of hospitalizations, and less than 1% of deaths. Let's break down a little further what things look like for them. When we compare last year at this time to now, we see that the average daily cases for those under 20 was initially lower in December than in 2020. But the recent Omicron surge has put 2021 trends back in line with 2020. Let's change our focus to Maricopa County. They break down hospitalization data a little more than the state. The Valley of the Sun has had about 179,000 cases in under 20. Only 1% of those cases have resulted in a hospitalization. The most serious cases, only 105 kids are reported to have gone to an ICU, and only 34 are reported to have died from COVID-19. The county tracks active outbreaks in schools as well. Right now, 275 active outbreaks, almost 90%, 244 of them are in K through 8 schools. In total, the county reports that there have been just over 4,000 COVID-19 cases reported to schools, with just over 3,400 of these being students. This is a look inside the numbers. I'm Garrett Archer, ABC 15 Arizona.
Next week, college students at the state's public universities head back, and here are their updated policies. ASU is requiring masks inside all classrooms and inside buildings where physical distancing is not possible. The University of Arizona also requiring masks, but the school is saying they need to be surgical or N95 masks. Northern Arizona University is requiring face coverings where social distancing cannot happen, including classrooms and their research labs.